Frugal grocery shopping tips. Frugality is significant to all of us, and it can lead to prosperity. People who often fritter away their money on things they don't need soon live from hand to mouth. Especially when we are grocery shopping, we tend to overspend. We end up with many food items that have expired in our cabinets without being used. So it is better if we spend wisely, even if we're born with a silver spoon in our mouths. Here are some excellent frugal grocery shopping tips. Let's dive right in. Save yourself from shrinkflation. One tried and true strategy employed by food companies to combat rising costs is shrinkflation, in which the company reduces packaging while maintaining the same price. There are numerous complaints about porridge boxes and sauce bottles shrinking on the Reddit thread shrinkflation. As a matter of fact, Tillamook announced that it would shrink the size of its ice cream carton while retaining the same price. According to Chase, consumers should be aware of additional marketing snares used by businesses to sell their goods. Because businesses have to pay more for that space, items that are displayed at eye level are frequently more expensive. Never enter a grocery store with the intention of buying the first thing you see. Take the time to compare prices before adding items to your shopping cart. Make a list of grocery items beforehand. It's a common piece of advice, but it's true. Grocery stores are designed in such a way as to intrigue and bait people to spend more without thinking. Colorful and attractive food packaging attracts customers to buy more than their requirements. To avoid this extravagance, you should make a plan for what you want to cook in the coming week and what you need to buy. If you want to try new recipes, add the ingredients to your list to avoid any unnecessary purchases. When you go shopping, be sure to write a list of what you need and stick to it. You're less likely to roam around the store erratically trying to figure out what to buy when you have a meal plan in mind. Keep a list on your fridge and note down everything right away. Don't depend on your memory to fill in the gaps when you run out of something. If you write it down right away, you'll never have to hurry back to the store to buy bread or meat again. While cooking, if you run short of any ingredient, immediately note it down. It is better if you write the company name as well to avoid any inconvenience. You'll end up saving significantly more. Buy less meat. Meat, poultry, and eggs have seen a sharp jump in price over the last decade. There is a precise solution to reduce your grocery bill if you find that you spend more money on meat than on other food categories. Buying less meat will not only save you money but help you adopt a healthy lifestyle by consuming more vegetables and pulses. If you don't want to reduce your meat consumption but still want to save money, then keep a check on discount offers in different places. Shop at the more affordable supermarkets. People shop at expensive and popular grocery stores because they are more convenient. They have a variety of brands, are closer, have vast parking lots, have the facility of kids' play areas, and might be more attractive. You might need to be prepared to put in a little bit of extra time and energy while you're attempting to save money. Cheaper grocery stores typically don't offer everything on your list, so you'll probably need to visit a few, which takes more time. But you might end up saving a ton of cash. Without a doubt, it was worthwhile. Carry your own bags. In most grocery stores, you have to pay for the bags. If you have purchased groceries for the whole month, you might need half a dozen bags. You would never want fresh vegetables and fruits to be packed with toilet cleaners or eggs with canned food. Be prepared to buy different bags for different items. It's advisable to keep your grocery bags safe in your pantry and use them over and over again. It will definitely save you money. Shop online. If you shop online, you can easily browse through different brands and companies. You can effortlessly keep track of your spending because your total is instantly updated each time a product is added. That is a terrific technique to determine which item is the most expensive and whether it is actually necessary for you to purchase it. You don't have to explore the aisles or categories looking for the food you want, so you won't be enticed by other goods. It's a terrific way to save money. You may stay below your spending limit by just reordering your most recent order. This is wonderful because you won't be tempted to buy new things, and it will also save you a ton of time that you can use for other things, like a side business. Look at you. You are now earning an income while saving money. Do your grocery shopping for at least a week or two at a time. The biggest money waste in my experience is going grocery shopping frequently. When you spend more time at the grocery store, you tend to get more carried away, buy more items than you really need, plan fewer meals, make more mess, and spend more money. When we want to cut costs on food, this is not what we desire. You can save money by cutting down on the time you spend at the supermarket by doing your grocery shopping once a week or once every other week. Additionally, it will encourage you to plan rather than just wing it when putting your meals together. To prevent having to go back to the market and to know exactly what to buy, you will need to learn how to plan your meals. Believe me, it works. Don't be fascinated by brands and dazzling commercials. Don't be overwhelmed by expensive brands and flashy ads. However, they frequently mislead us into believing that the highly advertised brand with gorgeous packaging is superior to the straightforward generic brand. No, it isn't. You can sometimes save up to 50% on the cost of the most popular brands by purchasing generic versions. It goes without saying that generic brands frequently have higher quality. Consider paying more money to get inferior food when you can easily find cheaper, higher quality meals nearby. I have shared with you some practical and effective grocery shopping tips. I hope you will find these tips and tricks helpful to save money. And no, these tips probably won't make you a millionaire, but the extra cash can be definitely helpful if you want to save up more money for a vacation. How do you save money while grocery shopping? Make sure to let us know your thoughts and don't forget to like today's video. Subscribe to the channel as an offering to the gods of the algorithm. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.